But actually, your breath can tell you much more than what you had for dinner, as we're going to show you.
What's going on? Who's this?
This is Daisy.
Am I being replaced? What are your qualifications?
Xand, you're not being replaced. Daisy's here to help us with today's experiment because your breath can reveal a huge amount about you. It can be the first sign of many illnesses, and like your fingerprints, your breath is unique. No one else has the same breath. Smells like doggy snacks.
No, but I did find some lovely biscuits on the floor on the way in.
Were they in a bowl?
Yes.
Did the bowl say Daisy on it?
Yes. Now, everyone has bad breath at some point, even Daisy. But even if your breath isn't bad, it still has a smell, and it's the smell that contains information about you and your health. So, if you have asthma, even though you can't smell asthma, your breath will have more nitric oxide in it, which you can detect.
Or if you have diabetes, your breath may have more of a compound called acetone in it. It's the same chemical that's in nail varnish remover.
In fact, there's a whole range of medical conditions that can be detected on your breath.
But not by us, even though we're doctors. Not by specialist medical researchers, not even by complicated equipment.
That's why Daisy is here.
She's a specially trained smell doctor. Daisy's been trained by Claire to detect serious illnesses like cancer in a person's breath.
So Claire, how does Daisy do it?
Well, when people are unwell, they smell different. So some people have kindly donated their breath samples onto this tube.
So they breathe in that, and then the smelly molecules in their breath stick inside this sponge here.
Absolutely. And then what we do is, in training, we show this sponge to Daisy, and we've been able to train her to tell us if somebody has a very serious disease.
Time to see Daisy in action.
Now, we've laid out 3 samples of breath here, and one of the samples is from a patient with a serious illness. Now, the one from the patient with the illness...
Chris, you can't say in front of Daisy, she'll hear. She's going to find it herself.
Son, she's a dog, she doesn't speak English. It's sample A. Now, Claire, should we set off Daisy and see if she can find it?
Daisy, seek, seek.
She's done it. And unbelievably, it took her just 6 seconds.